What starts as a routine traffic stop quickly spirals into a high-stakes confrontation packed with contradictions, tension, and a shocking discovery hidden in the most unexpected place. A driver insists she's done nothing wrong, denies impairment, and even challenges the officer's authority. But within minutes, the situation escalates. From a simple traffic violation to a full-blown probable cause search, heated arguments about rights, and a discovery that could change everything. Here's where it gets intense. The officer claims he smells marijuana, something courts have consistently ruled can justify a vehicle search. But the driver? She flips her story. First, she admits there might be a joint. Then suddenly, there's nothing in the car. That contradiction alone raises serious red flags. And just when you think it's about to calm down, it doesn't. Because what officers uncover next isn't just unexpected. It's potentially felony-level serious, hidden in a place no one would immediately suspect. So the question is, was this just a misunderstanding? Or was someone trying to outsmart the system and got caught? Watch closely, because every word, every reaction, and every decision matters in this one.
Huh? What are you the reason that you approach me?
Driver's license. You got
Don't reach in your pocket. My phone.
Mike 22. Can you expedite our 94, please, at Wawa?
Touch me. That's all I tell you.
Don't reach into the car. Do not reach into the car. Stop.
Do not touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop reaching into the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Stop reaching into the car. It just come out.
No. No.
I'm going to drag you out.
No. Do not touch
Stop.
me. Do not touch me.
Stop and
Do
get
not
out of
touch
the
me.
car.
No.
Do not
What
reach
is
into
the
a car
reason?
that I don't see.
Okay, and what's the
Get
reason?
out of the car
No.
now.
No. What's the reason of you touching me?
Get out of the car. I don't know what's in the car.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
I don't give a damn. Don't touch me.
Step out of the
No.
car. None of this is going to matter.
No, okay, and none of this had to happen if you didn't approach me, would it?
Just stop.
That's
Get
why you
out of the
approached me
car.
all the way. Like, come on, what's the reason of your nose being
I'm
broken?
trying to leave your girl alone if she would just get out of the
No,
car.
because you're asking for drivers and registration. What is your reason? Like, come on.
It's all on
In the
camera.
backseat. No,
Turn around.
don't touch me.
Turn around. That's what I'm going to tell you.
Touch me.
Okay? Turn around and put your hands behind
No.
your back. You are under arrest.
No, the hell I'm not.
You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. Do it.
Don't touch me. You can do what you're trying to do.
No, I'm going to do it. If you're making this
No.
difficult, put your hands behind your back.
No.
Come over here, please.
No.
Stand up.
No, but you can talk to
You want
me.
to help me?
No.
Turn around and put your hands.
Touch me. Don't.
Put your hands behind your back. I'm trying to.
What's wrong with you? Oh.
Stop. Do not kick me again.
Y'all
Do
better
not kick me
break my
again.
arm. Break my arm. You gonna f you up. Break my arm.
No one's trying to hurt you.
Don't put my fingers in the car. Come on. No.
Stop.
I have no reason to approach me.
Hey, can y'all record?
No.
Stop.
Somebody record.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Stop.
I
Stop.
have no reason to approach me.
Stop.
Baby, can I get her?
Put her in the ground. Nobody wants to do this.
But you didn't have to approach me.
Nobody wants to do
You
this.
have to approach me.
Please stop. Please stop. Okay, I can't tell you enough.
Okay, you didn't have no reason to approach me. And then my arm is broken. I'm gonna f you up. Oh God, I'm gonna
Roll onto your side. Roll onto your side.
You see this? You see this?
You don't get off of me, down. You get off of me. Can I lean on my car? Like that? Can you get off of me?
You're okay, buddy. You okay?
Can you get off of me? I'm already on my car. Get off of me. Okay, get off of me. Get off of me.
Bravo.
I have no reason to.
Why'd you searching me? You said I'm making sure you don't
Get your ass out of my car.
stop pulling away from me, bro. I'm not going anywhere. I'm right
Get
here.
out of my car.
Camera, relax.
Okay, but y'all,
Hold on, camera.
Come on, bro. Like, come on.
my kid would be safe if y'all wouldn't ever approach me. Like, what the f? Thank you for recording. Telling y'all, bro, you didn't have no reason to approach me. No reason.
Yeah, and she kicked me repeatedly too.
Like, shut the f up.
Okay.
How old is he?
No, get the hell off of me. Get down.
He's not speaking right now, so I want to say like 21.
Bro, get off of me.
You can come out of handcuffs, but in the meantime, she's getting arrested. We need for someone to take care of the child at this point. You can go to jail and we could call child services, or you can take the child and relax for a second.
Boss man, I'm not doing anything. Am I not standing right here?
What I'm explaining something to you, that's all, okay?
What you need my ID for? I'm not arrested, am I? Okay, then what you need my ID for?
Why are you making this difficult?
Has she been searched? Hello? What is there to search, you idiot? You approached me for no reason. Don't touching me. Hey! Hey! Oh!
I did not commit a crime. Go to jail for what? Did I go to jail for what? Go to jail for what?
All right, I'm done. All right, then you're gonna go to jail too then.
For what?
Put him in the back of your car for now until you can figure out who he is.
Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away. You will be walking with me.
Before you go in the car, I'm going to search your person now. Spread your feet, please. Spread your feet, please.
He's got stuff all in here. Stop moving, man.
Stop pulling away. Again.
Give me a bag.
Boss man. Can I get the kid, please? Can I call somebody to come?
Now you're
come
asking
get
for
him?
favors? That's what we're just asking for your ID? That was a
Boss man,
simple request.
He just told me. Look, hold on.
Stop pulling
I'm
away.
talking. I'm not.
Let's look at the car.
You can sit
Get
in the
a chance
car.
to talk.
You search him good for you.
Crazy.
We're gonna find out what it's
All we're
Like,
trying to
get my,
get
bro, the kid is in the car. I cannot do
we're
it.
trying to ID you. First of all,
Boss man, what he just told me, you trying to ID to get a kid.
I'm
But
trying
you
to ID. You're not
telling me
listening.
you gotta,
Listen to me. Where's your ID?
Boss man, you telling me you gotta ID me to get arrested.
No, I'm not. I'm saying I'm trying to identify you. Where's your identification?
Or I'm gonna go to jail.
I'm saying I'm asking for your identification.
But you say, are you asking for identification or I'm going to jail?
I'm asking for identification. Do you
But
have
I'm
it on
saying,
you?
you said, or I'm going to jail.
I'm not getting in a debate. Do you have ID with
Can
you?
I ask a question? I can't. Can I?
Need your ID.
Maybe you can effectively communicate with me.
Okay, if I'm asking, if I don't give you ID, I'm going to jail.
Absolutely, at this point. But we need your
I
ID.
didn't do anything.
I answered your question. Now we need your ID.
I didn't do anything.
Why wouldn't you just give us your ID, man?
You got a warrant or
Why-
something, man?
I didn't have no.
Okay, well, it's
But
simple
y'all
then.
just did that to my girl.
You wanna go John Doe? Is that what it is?
And then I have a kid in the car.
Well,
bro.
we can't address that till we figure out who you are. So either you're gonna give us your ID or you're not. I just
No?
walked up on scene. I have no idea.
We'll fingerprint you down there. Don't worry about it.
I was putting seatbelt on. I'm
Oh,
on.
seatbelt? Okay.
Can I go get my
No,
ID?
you can't
My
do
kid.
anything.
I need to.
Move.
We asked you
Move
15 times
your
already.
legs.
No, we're not
No, the
playing
kid
that.
is in the
You
car.
wasn't worried about your kid when you was acting up. You wasn't worried
The kid
about
is
it
in the
then, but now
car.
you
Come
were.
on, the kid is in the
We wanna hear
car.
it. We're gonna find it. You had a lot of. All you had to do is present your ID. I don't know what you and your girl going through. Because it may be a problem that they were trying to solve today, something like that. But I don't know. Whatever it is right now, it's taking a different turn because of the way that. First of all, when I came, how she's acting and how you're acting. All right. Now you got kids in the car. CPS is gonna be involved. Look, man, we just.
You just want his 14.
We're gonna get it. Where's it at? Okay, his ID is in the car.
I don't know. He's not letting me
He said it is. We can go. Is that his vehicle?
Can I go get the ID? I can get
Whose
you
car
the
is
ID.
that?
It's my car.
It's his car.
I can
Where's
go,
your ID?
I
That's
can,
all I'm asking for. It's what I've
I
been
can
asking
go.
You're not getting out of his car without getting an ID. You're not getting
Can
it.
I?
Just know
I'll
that.
take you. You can go get it.
Okay,
It's
you
in the car.
It's
you
not
allow
stop
me
the
to
cop.
go. You allow me to go.
That's not the way
I'm
this
not
works.
allowed to search my car. I'm
We're not
I'm
saying we're
allowing
searching
you to
it.
get my ID out
Where's
the
it at?
bag in the car.
In the car. Well,
Where?
I'm gonna have to search for it. You don't tell me where it's at. I'm gonna have to search. So tell me where it's
I
at,
can give you
so I
my
can
name
go
and my-
directly there.
I can give you my name and my stuff.
So obviously there's something in the car you don't want us.
There's
Let me
nothing
explain
in
this
the
to
car.
you. If we can identify you, I feel confident that I can take you into handcuffs and you're not under arrest today. Suppose that. Then you can take custody of the child and the vehicle.
Let me get my ID out the car.
You're not telling us how this is going
What's
to
your
go,
name?
buddy.
That's not the way. What's your name, man?
Johnson.
Here's his, I don't know what you have or got, but here's property that was taken off of him.
Are you okay if this gentleman that you were with takes custody of your child?
Go ahead.
Yes, she says yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm telling you, look me if you want. That's what they coming for. y'all. So do what you want to do.
Before we take you to jail, I am taking you to the hospital. You said you wanted medical attention. Okay, I am. I'm just letting you know what's happening.
And tell my boyfriend has to come and take me to the hospital.
No, we're headed to Coral Springs Medical or Broward Health General.
Whatever you're telling me, tell him. Do not tell him anything else.
He's not gonna be able to see you there. You know that, right?
Well, you can tell him right in front of you because I know how some officers like this need coming to information.
It wouldn't matter if hang on for a second. Whether he knows where you are or not, he's still not gonna be able to come see you. So it doesn't matter if I took you to Palm Beach County, which I'm not, but I'm just saying he's not gonna be able to see you wherever we go.
Not long. I just moved down here.
Okay, I get that, but
let
let me tell you something. When you say I just moved here, to me that could mean a day, to someone else it could mean a year, to somebody else it could mean a month, to somebody else it could mean 3 months. You get what I'm saying? I'm asking you specific questions. When did you move here? It's a close-ended question, right? So the response would be 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago.
I just came back here like a couple, I say it's not even 2 weeks yet. Since
2 weeks. Okay, perfect. Then it makes a lot. Listen, hear me out. Listen, then it makes a lot of sense that you wouldn't know your address if you've only been here 2 weeks. You get me? But if you're like, I've been here a year and I don't know my address, I'd be like, well, that doesn't really make sense. You understand where I'm coming from?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, so we have you identified. I'm going to have you exit the vehicle. I'm going to take the seatbelt off. I'm going to take you out of handcuffs.
I don't have a phone number. Is this his phone number?
No, that's from a different call. So,
Johnsley, do you have a phone number?
At the moment,
Yes.
you all need all the information?
we're releasing a child to you, so yes.
All of that is on video. So.
Okay, so let me explain something to you. You're in a public place. I have every right to look at the car. I wasn't even interested. I couldn't see in the car. The only reason I even paid attention to the car, I couldn't see if there was anybody in it. So I was concerned for me.
You hyped all that up for no reason, bro. How did I help anything up? I was.
Hold on. I'm not going to debate.
I'm not under arrest, right? I can't talk.
There's the property. I'm not going to debate.
Can I not talk?
We're leaving. We're leaving.
You're good. We're good.
We're leaving.
She kicked me.
Can I have a bag? Y'all, I know y'all usually have cards. Can I have your
I can give you
cards?
the case number, sure.
Kozlowski 542. Okay?
Do you have a case card?
I'm on that.
You want a card for everybody or is it a card for everybody? Okay, I'll just do it.
Yeah, I don't have my cards, so I apologize. I can give you my name right
I'm a
here.
lawyer. I'm from
I'm just giving the case number and we're out of here.
My ID number is next to it.
All she had to do was give me her driver's license and registration.
That's right. You did not make it that simple.
Yes, I did.
You hyped everything up.
Okay.
You hyped everything up for
We'll
no
file a
reason.
complaint.
We'll agree to
I
disagree.
will file a complaint. You hyped everything up for no reason. And I'm being calm. I'm telling my girl to be calm. Y'all got me in handcuffs and y'all telling me, hey, stop. Hey, stop. Hey, I'm not doing anything.
I'm trying to get the case number.
Forget it. I'm not debating. Why am I doing this? This is not me. That's my fault.
Hang on. You want me to tell him? Tell him. You're sitting right here, right? You're watching, right?
Can you listen to me? Can you hear me?
I don't know.
Stop here. Don't try to be smart.
Sir,
You just told her that you're going to take me to the hospital. You just said that you won't tell her.
she wanted you to know I'm taking her to the hospital for medical clearance, okay? Coral Springs, okay? That's what she wanted me to make sure I told you, so I am. Romeo 92?
Let my wrist be bleeding. You don't give a damn about nobody.
EM 51 of Coral Springs med with Mike 22 is 1015 female. Copy starting.
Yeah. I tried to say that no. You could have said that when you was out there. You heard me talking. But try to say that now.
The only thing I heard you saying out there was let go of me.
Fine. All that out, you know that was wrong. I even said, even if you wasn't there, I told you what happened. But no, you gonna listen to what the he said.
No one has told me what happened, and I'm not gonna second guess I wasn't there.
Y'all don't listen to nobody. All y'all want to do is arrest. It's a raise on me, so it's arrest. That's all y'all know, and that's all y'all doing to do. I don't want to listen to nothing, bro. Even if it's wrong, y'all still go through it. Be for real. And you know that's wrong. That's why you don't want to say nothing now.
I'm not saying anything because you told me you didn't want to hear it. So I'm stopping.
You didn't stop nothing because why am I still in the car?
I stopped talking.
He didn't have no reason to approach you. I'm at a gas station getting gas. Be for real. Now you don't want to say nothing.
Because you told me not to. You didn't want to hear it.
No, you went completely quiet. Yeah.
I feel like there's no winning with you anyway, so...
How is he gonna get through somebody, but y'all just did all this for nothing? Do you really think somebody gonna want to talk to you and y'all doing all this bull? Y'all not gonna really listen to nobody.
This case is a textbook example of how a routine traffic stop can escalate into serious criminal charges, largely due to a combination of behavior, contradictions, and legal thresholds that many people simply don't understand. Let's break this down clearly. First, the initial stop itself was completely lawful. The officer observed multiple driving violations, crossing lane lines, erratic movement, and unsafe turns. These are more than enough to justify pulling a driver over. But what really shifted this encounter from routine to critical was the officer's observation and statement that he could smell marijuana coming from the vehicle. Now, here's where the legal side gets important. In many jurisdictions, the odor of marijuana alone can establish probable cause to search a vehicle. That means the officer does not need consent. And that's exactly where the driver's argument begins to fall apart. She repeatedly insists, "You need my permission." But legally, that's simply not true under probable cause standards. Then comes the first major turning point, her contradiction. She initially admits there may be a joint, then completely reverses her statement, claiming there's nothing in the car. From an investigative standpoint, that inconsistency is huge. It signals possible deception, which further justifies the officer's suspicion and decision to proceed with a search. Now let's talk about the discovery, because this is where things go from serious to life-altering. Methamphetamine is found not just loosely, but hidden inside a chip bag. That's not accidental placement. That suggests concealment. And legally, yes, possession doesn't always require ownership. It can be based on control and proximity. Since both individuals were in the vehicle and the substances were found within reach, both can be charged. Here's the harsh reality. Even if one person claims ownership, the other can still face charges unless there's clear, provable separation of responsibility. And in this case, the stories kept changing. One moment it's, "I don't know," the next it's mine, then back to confusion. That inconsistency severely weakens credibility in the eyes of law enforcement, and later, the court. Another critical moment is the resisting behavior. When a lawful order is given, like stepping out of the vehicle, refusing to comply can lead to additional charges. And that's exactly what happened here. The driver didn't just face drug possession, but also resisting. And then we have the passenger situation, which is honestly one of the most frustrating parts of this case. Even if she was telling the truth about not knowing, the law doesn't always operate on belief. It operates on evidence and circumstances. Being in the wrong place at the wrong time, especially with illegal substances present, can still lead to charges. So, what are the key takeaways here? Probable cause overrides consent. Contradictions can escalate suspicion instantly. Possession isn't just ownership, it's proximity and control. Non-compliance can turn a bad situation into a worse one. And perhaps the biggest lesson of all, who you're with and what's in the vehicle can directly impact your freedom. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think the officer handled this correctly? Do you believe the passenger was truly unaware or just trying to distance herself? And if you were in that situation, what would you have done differently? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.